pack our third order from Hawaii. Let's see what she picked. In fact, this sweetie placed 2 orders in our shop, but second one was just 2 days after the first. So I put the 2 together in one large package. The first set is juicy strawberry gummies, a sweet 3D cat eye design that has been ordered by many customers. The second is Cat Party, a very cute set. Don't miss it if you're a cat lover. The third one is fruit yogurt. How many fruits can you find from it? The last one is bursting blueberries. To be honest, my husband never thought it to be so popular when designing this set. All in one, thank you all for loving our products and supporting our small business. How time flies! July will come to an end soon. Can't wait to share our August new designs with you guys. Still working on them. I don't do a packing video for every order, so if you want one, please let me know after order placed. Hope our cute creation could bring you a smile.